All right, yo, what's up, peoples? JDilla here, and I've got some cool stuff for you today. So I'm back in St. Louis, actually Festus, Missouri, and I am back working on my C10. Hank McCoy, the beast, right there. As you can see, it's looking pretty. Kept it under the cover all this time. But I came back in town and I got some new toys and stuff that I want to put on there. So without further ado, I ended up getting a crazy deal on some Hooker's headers, which they were on an '87 Camaro, and I need to weld this back together eventually and just get all this stuff, make sure it's solid and welded in. It looked like somebody had to beat it in here, but all in all, these are some pretty solid headers. I also got a new Hilborn style air filter, a collector, and I can't wait to put those on. And then I ordered from LMC Truck these because I shout out to my boy Cadillac Kurt with his C10 over there, and I believe he's in one of the Carolinas, North Carolina, South Carolina. But I ordered these at his suggestion. So these are they're the heavy duty power window harness, because like with most of these trucks, the power windows are they kind of slow down after a while. The motor does, and it's because of the way that the electrical system is routed. So I got those, and I'm gonna install those sometime this week. But first of all, I want to get that done, and then one thing that I'm super psyched about, super happy about, is I finally got a Cowl Hood. Bam! And this bad boy was a steal. I was so happy when I found this, man. So it's 81 through 87, I think. They can fit on any of those models, but with a couple modifications. The guy that I got it from, he had it on his K5, but he didn't like the way it looked. So he was like, you know what, I'm just gonna sell it. He bought it from somebody for like 400, and then he's like, I'm gonna sell it for the same price I got it, but nobody bid, which I was like super like curious about. I was like, why would nobody want this thing? And so I hit him up, and somebody was supposed to buy it Friday, but they didn't. So I hit him up, and I drove from New York yesterday back to St. Louis, and he waited for me all day. Like I was on the road for like 15 to 18 hours, and I actually passed his place to come home first, drop my friend off, and then go back. But he waited for me all day, and I gave him $260 for it. He gave it to me for $260. He wanted $250, and I was like, "Yo, I'm gonna give you an extra $10 just because this is an incredible deal." And so I took those. I took them. You know, sent him the money, and he held it for me, and I went over there. He did a little bit of a paint job on it. He said he just got some cheap paint from O'Reilly's or AutoZone or something like that. It has a kind of a shitty paint job, but anyway, shout out to Tyler, pretty good dude. So I was happy with that. It's got a couple of nicks on it, but you know what aftermarket junk that you get from somebody else doesn't. It has 454 on the side, which I got to take those off because I definitely do not have a 454 in this thing. If I did, this bad boy would be on the road right now. Screw that. But you know, it is what it is. And then obviously I get that off. I think I have to do a couple of modifications to underneath here because it only has the two holes for that back arm, that back bracket arm. So I still need to drill some other holes so I can get that spring-loaded arm to fit on. Otherwise, I'll probably just take these off and maybe just use like a one of those fancy schmancy ass pieces of wood, like a 2x4, and put that on there. So, but anyway, so that's the update for right now, and hopefully I can get this done before I go back to New York on Sunday, and see if we can get this thing. I need to buy a new battery. I'm going to get one of those Optimum batteries because my other battery just was a piece of crap. But that's what's up, man. This is what's going on today. Check back in with me to see updates and let me know what you guys think, all right? And any suggestions, or, you know, give me some tips on doing those headers, because I know it's not going to be easy, but I'm going to do it anyway. But I hope you guys liked the video. You know, thumbs up, subscribe to me. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I talk too much. And thanks, guys. There she is one more time. One quick last look.